Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to highlight text in the InShot app step by step. Whether you are making a vlog, creating an Instagram story or just adding some cool text effects, this simple trick will make your videos stand out. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto video to start a new project. Choose a video. Next, here you can find the option of text button. Simply tap on it. Again, here you can find the text button. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you can type out whatever text you want to highlight, like a catchy title or important message. After typing the text, here you can find the check mark. Now tap on it. Now here you can find the option of these types of highlights. Now choose whatever you want to add to your text. Just like this, you can also scroll and find different kinds of highlights to your text. Once you are happy with how it looks, now tap on to the check mark button. Now you can edit the video as however you want to edit it. And that's it. You have now learned how to highlight the text in InShot. It's an easy way to make your message stand out and add some flair to your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.